Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to go on a slightly off-road journey away from jewelry making, and I'm going to show you how I make an epoxy tumbler. So let's go get started. To begin my hydro dip, I fill a large bucket with just regular water. It doesn't have to be warm or cold. Then I use Rust-Oleum spray paint in short bursts, and here I use white, copper, and a blue. I didn't really need to swirl it. I actually kind of messed it up, I think, but it would have worked fine without doing that. But you always want to dip your tumbler at an angle and turn and swirl it as you go down. I did end up dipping this one twice. I used Mod Podge on a little brush and applied some, and then my copper leaf, and then put Mod Podge over top. You want to try to be sure that your copper leaf does lay absolutely flat so that it doesn't stick up, because if you have to sand your tumbler, that could mess it up. So here's the first coat of epoxy going on the tumbler after I've applied all of my copper leaf. And then this will serve as a base for when I do the mica powder swirls. Here I've taken some of my resin, and in one container I've added some copper mica powder. In the other one I've added pearl mica powder. You'll notice I just use a popsicle stick to kind of drizzle them on. Later I will heat them up with my heat gun, which will allow it to actually move and swirl. Here I'm heating the epoxy with my heat gun, and that makes it more fluid and makes it swirl more easily. I actually take it off my turner, and as I warm it, I can tip it, spin it up and down so that it swirls. This is the final coat of epoxy going on. It will give it a glass finish and everything will be nice and smooth.